Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week's topic, harnessing the power of data. In today's data-driven world, leveraging analytics and reporting tools is essential for auto repair shop owners who want to gain valuable insights into their business operations. By harnessing the power of data, you can make informed decisions, improve efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive overall business growth. In today's video, we will explore the importance of data analytics and reporting for auto repair shop owners and how it can benefit their businesses. Track key performance indicators. Implementing data analytics allows you to monitor and analyze key performance indicators that provide a clear picture of your shop's performance. Use metrics like customer satisfaction ratings, average repair times, revenue per job, and technician productivity to identify areas for improvement, set goals, and measure success. Identify trends and patterns. Data analytics enables you to identify trends and patterns within your business. By analyzing historical data, you can uncover insights about peak service hours, seasonal demand fluctuations, popular repair services, and customer preferences. This empowers you to optimize your staffing levels, adjust pricing strategies, and align your services with customer needs. Improve customer relationship management. A robust CRM system integrated with data analytics helps you to understand your customers better. By tracking customer interactions, service histories, and preferences, you can tailor your marketing efforts, provide personalized recommendations, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. This fosters customer loyalty and drives repeat business. Optimize inventory management. Analyzing data related to parts usage and demand can optimize your inventory management processes. By identifying fast-moving items, you can ensure sufficient stock levels without overstocking, reducing carrying costs and the risk of obsolete parts. Data analytics can also help you forecast future demand, enabling smarter purchasing decisions. Data-driven insights empower you to make informed decisions that have a direct impact on your business. Whether it's identifying new service opportunities, adjusting pricing strategies, allocating resources effectively, data analytics provides the necessary information to support your decision-making process and drive business growth. Enhance marketing and advertising efforts. Data analytics enables you to measure the effectiveness of your marketing and advertising campaigns. By tracking metrics such as customer acquisition costs, conversion rates, and return on investment, you can optimize your marketing strategies, allocate your budget more effectively, and target your efforts towards channels and campaigns that generate the best results. Harnessing the power of data analytics and reporting is crucial for auto repair shop owners who seek to gain a competitive edge and drive their businesses forward. By tracking KPIs, identifying trends, optimizing operations, and making data-informed decisions, you can enhance customer satisfaction, streamline processes, reduce costs, and achieve sustainable growth. Embrace data analytics as a valuable tool to gain valuable insights and stay ahead in an increasingly data-centric industry. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.